Good evening. This is All Sports with LD coming back at you with another YouTube post from my YouTube channel. Before I get into tonight's content, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. All right, so let's get into it. When I heard this story, it was very disheartening because of the fact that a young woman lost her life, and also family members lost a loved one. And also a young man who destroyed his career by a decision that he made to drive under the influence of alcohol. Henry Ruggs III. His career is over, and he will likely serve quite a bit of time over this incident. One of the things that got me is that reading the story, it said that he was going 156 miles per hour. Now, I have a vehicle that goes up to 160 miles per hour, and I can't imagine driving that fast on the highway, even on the streets. And it blows my mind that he would get behind the wheel after consuming alcohol. And I'm not sure if his young girlfriend who was with him, I'm not sure if she was drunk or, I don't know. It doesn't really say. But you would think if she was sober, you would think she would advise him not to get behind the wheel and drink and drive. And this is a sad case all around. The article even states that the young woman, the girlfriend, actually had to have surgery. Seems she suffered a great injury to her arm. Since Henry Ruggs III pretty much destroyed what future he had, I hope this is instructive for other young men who may have a bright future ahead of them, whether it's through athletics or whether it's through entertainment, music, whatever it may be. I hope this is an instructive lesson for young men today and even young women, that your decisions that you make, bad decisions that you make, will wind up impacting you. And it will wind up impacting those around you, your loved ones, and maybe even strangers. And I hope that what this case will do is to help people think twice before you get behind the wheel while drinking. Because one of the things that shocked me is the fact that he was going 156 miles per hour, and neither both himself nor his girlfriend was killed. That blows my mind. And I hope the young man understands how fortunate he is to survive such a crash like this at this high speed. I mean, it's unbelievable driving at that rate of speed that he and the girlfriend would survive. Unfortunately, the young woman that he rear-ended and her dog didn't make it. So, going forward, I'm hoping the young man really realizes what he has done. I mean, it's got to be devastating after becoming sober what he's done. I, it has to be devastating. If he's not human, I can't imagine that he doesn't feel devastated that he caused harm to an innocent person because of his recklessness. So we'll see in the coming months, years, perhaps whenever the trial gets going, what his fate will be. I'm almost certain he's going to serve prison time behind this. The amount of time, that is to be determined at the time. But I'm almost certain I would be surprised if he gets off with probation. But hopefully, again, this story serves as a lesson to people in general to make wise decisions. Do your best to try to make the wisest decisions. And hopefully, life will work out for you. Well, that's all I have on this one. Till next time, have a good one.